Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually on the radar, not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another fragrance from my favorite Italian brand, Monotheme, and this is Black Label, and this is Saffron. You know, I'm Persian myself, I'm Iranian, and the best saffron in the world, no if or but about it, is from Iran. It's more expensive than gold in terms of weight. If you want to have a kilo of gold and kilo of saffron, it's more expensive. So imagine how expensive saffron is. It's the most expensive edible or spices in the world, and for a good reason, because first thing first, it's wild. Secondly, it's when you cultivate it, you get very tiny amount from so many flowers, so you have to pick the flowers, and is the stem inside the flowers, and there are only one or two for each flower, so you have to it's a very labor intensive, because you're many people working for just a few grams of saffron each day, and that's why it's very expensive. And it smells divine, it smells beautiful, it smells obviously spicy, it smells a little bit leathery, it smells sweet, it smells a little bit fruity on its own. Mamma mia, what a beautiful smell it is. I don't know if you ever smelled a proper Iranian or Persian saffron, because they are very expensive, and also there are many fakes out there. Unfortunately, even in Iran itself, the last time I went to my country, I bought a couple of 10 grams saffron, and they were fake basically. They don't smell the same smell, they don't give that same color and the rest. Anyway, so when I saw that saffron, I had to get it, you know what I mean. I'm very curious to see how it smells. I love the smell of saffron, I love smell of saffron in fragrances, and this is piqued my interest. So this is Monotheme. It's an Italian brand. They make quite nice fragrances for very reasonable price, under £20, and for what you pay and what you get, they are very good. Obviously for this price point you don't expect natural ingredients. There's going to be majority of the ingredients synthetic, but the main thing is how they make their codes, how they make the blend, and how the perfumery works proper in here. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Sorry about the noise, but before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, entertaining or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future, and I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much. And let's go with the unboxing. Here we go. So this is 100 ml Eau de Perfume, under £20. And look at the box. The box is gorgeous. It's got a design to it, beautiful design, and attention to details is very good. It's very good quality, especially for the money. And the same bottle, always same bottle, and which I like very much, because they are classic, simple, elegant, and they do a very good job with the bottles. The cap is plastic, and the atomizer, very good atomizer. It gives a mist. Okay guys, so how is Saffron by Monotheme? Here we go. First impression. Very pretty, very good, well done. Again, we are not expecting natural ingredients, or at least majority is synthetic ingredients in here, but it's done very well. The perfumery is good, the blend is good. So I'm getting spices, yes. I'm getting sweetness, yes. I'm getting woody aspect, yes. there's a leafy quality to it as well. Yeah, a little bit of green leafy aspect. Leathery undertone as well. A little bit of floral. The florals are here probably is jasmine because it's quite smooth and it's like a white floral feel to it. A little bit of fruity aspect to it, but I can't pinpoint what it is. It looks like some kind of berry, so maybe I don't know, pink pepper, berries, maybe a little bit of cherry in here, a little bit of stone fruit feel to it. But what a smell, beautiful. They done a perfect job in here. It's very good, it's very warm, it's very spicy, it's very inviting, it's very opulent. It's quite exotic smelling. The saffron is not very pronounced here. For my taste, I would have loved it to be a little bit more saffrony, but you can detect it there. It's there in the background. But to call it saffron, and that's the thing, you know, because saffron is a very expensive ingredient, and here they just trying by mixing other accord together to give you that impression of saffron. Obviously, it won't be the same, but it's quite good for exactly for especially for under £20. You know, you're not expecting the highest quality in the world, okay? But overall, it's very good. So, conclusion. First impression, first sniff, absolutely yes, 2 thumbs up. Very, very good perfumery in here, very good smell, sweet, little bit fruity, little bit floral, woody, little bit of green aspect, little bit leafiness, little bit of leather feel, definitely woody feel, a little bit of leafy feel as well to it, and also the spices are pronounced. First impression, first sniff, absolutely yes. To my nose, it's very, very unisex. Anybody can rock this, but again, it's a little bit on the mature side because it's complex, it's oriental, it's very quite deep and many layers in here, so it's quite going to be a little bit on the mature side. But overall, I'm loving it. First impression, yes. I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, the development, things like that. But hopefully it will last because at the moment it's feeding the room. Okay guys, thank you very much as always. If you like what I do, you know what to do, hit those buttons. If you want to support me by buying one of my own fragrances, I'm a perfumer myself. I make the perfume, I'm the artist here from the scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. They are ultra beast mode, out of this world, very unique, very artistic, but you need to live in our kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.